What up, everybody? Today we got a quick little shopping haul. So I just went to Rideau Centre, got some stuff from Nike and LUSH. I got a free little tote, Nike tote bag, which is sick with my purchase. We are never done, 50th anniversary tote bag. Very fire, very, very fire. Gotta love this. My receipt in here, keep that just in case. First off, my item I purchased from LUSH. So I got this bar of soap called Olive Tree. And the reason I got this was because I had 5 of the recyclable pots, which you can usually trade in for a face mask, but all the face masks were out. So instead, you have the option to trade it in for some soap. So, yeah, I got the Olive Tree soap, the Gourmet soap. This stuff is super expensive, super nice. Smells like olivey and like naturey, I guess. It's hard to explain. But yeah, the only problem I have with the Gourmet soap is it's really easy to melt. So I need to get like a better tray for this stuff so it doesn't sit in the water and melt. But yeah, that's basically the only downside. But the Gourmet soap is honestly amazing. It's so moisturizing, such a good cleanser. It is actually amazing. Some of my favorite soap, or just their soap in general, their bar soap. Some of my favorite stuff. And then I bought a lip balm. I got this little lip balm called Honey Trap. And I don't know if any of you smoke, but this thing smells like freaking like honey backwoods. Like, it's crazy. It smells exactly like a honey backwood. And the consistency is pretty nice for this stuff. I really like these little lip balm pots. This one, like the honey ones, they're just really, really nice. Really love them. You should check them out. Too bad you can't get samples for this, but I do recommend go get a sample of this Gourmet soap and you will love it yourself. And then all of my samples I got. So I got a little sample of face mask, Brush Strokes, one of my new favorite. It's my favorite fresh face mask that they have there. Lovely hand lotion, I got that for my mom. I got some Sympathy for the skin, body lotion to test out, because I like to stay nice and lathered up, nice and soft, nice and moisturized. And then I got this other stuff, I have not tried this yet, the dusting powder from LUSH, the Sleepy dusting powder. So you can like put this on yourself, put it on your bed, pretty much put it anywhere. It's lavender scented and it's pretty much to like draw moisture to just like freshen it up, you know? So I'm gonna sprinkle it on my bed just to freshen it up once I make it. Or just like maybe on my, a little bit on my like, maybe on my like feet or something, on my hands, areas that like really get more moisturized, just like dry it out. And yeah, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Ooh, also I just noticed, 100% cotton tote bag made in India. It's very nice quality. If you stay till the preview, you can see detailed close-ups with lighting on all these products to see like the fine details of the fabric or the fine details of the soap and stuff like that. See what the lip chap looks like inside. And I think there's 1 or 2 more samples. Curl Power hair cream. This stuff smells so good. I've been trying to revitalize my hair. And there's a couple more, but I'll find them later. So, for the haul, I got some more Jason Mark Repel Spray. The review/tutorial is coming soon for the Jason Mark stuff. Really like it. I think it works pretty good. So I stocked up on some more of the sprays to protect my shoes so they don't get stained. And then I got the pants. If you've seen in one of my previous hauls, I got the sweater for this outfit, but now I got the pants. Medium, the Nike Move to Zero recycled. So I got the full blue Move to Zero outfit. Very fresh. I hope they fit nice. We'll have to see. Maybe I'll try them on for the video. Got a little Move to Zero tag with the confetti on the back. And tag, $80 retail, Move to Zero, medium, made in Pakistan, 80% cotton, 20% polyester. You got these nice thin drawstrings with the birthday cake confetti covers on the end. It's tapered leg, very nice. You can see like the slight confetti throughout because it's the recycled material. Very nice. I hope they fit good though. I'm gonna have to try them on because I have not tried the recycled pants yet. Ooh, here's the 2 other samples. So I got some like hair and scalp oil. I tried this out when I was there, and it actually like made my hair so soft. And then some super milk conditioner. And I love this stuff too. Like, it literally smells like gingerbread. It's so good. I'm gonna have to buy some of this soon. It's some like, it's like a condition primer. So you put it in before your conditioning. Yeah, I think it's like amazing. So happy with all of my samples that I got. And then the one for my mom. Super nice, super nice, super happy with that. And then, so yeah, here's the nice tote bag. Lastly, I got this Nike sweater to match my North Face Cause sweatsuit. So if I don't want to wear that sweater and I want to wear a comfier one that I don't have to worry about getting stains on, then I can throw this one on instead because it matches. Or just to match with my Cause shoes because it's the same colorway. Very cool. Very happy with this purchase. Also, seems like a very comfy fitted sweater. I'll try it on for the video as well. Yeah, stay till the end if you want to see the preview. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment any thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching this Lush and Nike haul. Yeah, preview right now. Let's go.